Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on continuous fractions. In this question, we need to evaluate this continuous fraction. The idea with this continuous fraction is that we have this repeated expression that is going on forever, so it's nested in this function, and that nesting is the same as the function itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to call this whole thing x. Whole thing is x. And then the part within the part is in fact x as well. So that bit over there is also x. So we can rewrite this as an equation, 5 plus 8 over x equal to x. So we can multiply through by x, so we have 5x plus 8 equal to x squared. Quadratic equation, write it in standard form, and then we are going to factorize, but now that doesn't factorize. And the reason why I know that as well is when it says correct to 2 decimal places, there's a very good chance we're going to use the quadratic formula. And in the quadratic formula, we need to have it in standard form. A is -1, B is -5, C is -8. So I can substitute it. X equal to -5 plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2a. So that is 5 plus or minus root 57 all over 2. And it was asked for in decimal form. So we can type that in our calculator, and x will give us 6,27, or x gives us -1,27. But here we've got 5 plus a number that is positive. X can't be negative. So only the positive solution is valid in this continuous fraction. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Till the next time, stay epic.